What's good everyone, my name is Matt Powell and welcome back to the channel. Last year we unboxed the product from the company HOZO Design, and this year we got something new. They reached out so that I can introduce you to their newest product, the NeoRulerGO. This is actually their premium combo kit. I do want to mention I will receive a small commission if you guys purchase through my video. Let's see what's inside. Okay. So in the back here it says we're going to get the main unit, you get the case with the pen mini, a leather case, the Neo pen, the pen stand with 12 standard replaceable nibs, USB Type-C, 12 color replaceable nibs, and a quick start guide. We're going to get the brown leather case in this package. Let's open it up. Nice presentation here. You got pictures of each individual item for each box. Let's start from the left. Here we got the first item, which is the case for the NeoRulerGO. We got the mini pen on this side, two of these pen tips. And all you have to do here is screw it on. And then in here, that's the case. Okay, so there's a button right here. Let's see what it does. All you have to do is push this down, pops up, and this is where you store this little pen. Perfect. And it just snaps right back in. Now the next item is the leather case. We'll be adding this later. Now let's take a look at the bigger pen. And similarly, we'll get two tips and the pen itself. Next up, the accessory box. You get 6 of these and 4 of those. We already know what these look like, so we'll just put this to the side for now. And this, what can this be? These are just some silicone rings. Not too sure what this is for yet. And now let's take a look at these replaceable nibs. These are standard ones. It's a nice cute little stand right here. It's got a rubber bottom, kind of feels like a metallic top twist, and you got all your standard tips here. This is really neat and organized. This is a stand too, so you can just place your pen just like that. And now for the next one, we got the colorful nibs. Same thing here, but you get colorful tips. Well, they call it nibs. So you got 12 different colors right here. And we can place the smaller pen right in here. Oh, and I just realized there's a little magnet right here, so it makes it easier for you to close. And finally, let's take a look at the main unit. So here's everything you get in the box. You get the USB-C, quick start guide. I think this is another one of those rings, this rubberized ring. Wow, so off the rip, this is looking smaller than I expected. Wow. It's like a car key, if anything. So this is the roller. It's got a kind of a rubberized end to it, so it has some friction, which is pretty nice. Okay, this is a button, another button on this side. I think this is where you attach the leather strap. Just like that. It's got a nice and snug fit, so it's not going to be moving in there. Keeps it nice and protected. This is to replace the rubberized roller in case it gets worn out. Let's turn this on. How do you even charge this thing? Where's the... Alright, so I figured it out. You pull this and USB-C right in there. Once it snaps back in, you know you're good to go. So let's charge this up and turn it on. So while this charges, let's go through a quick rundown on how to work the device. So you press both buttons to turn it on, and then over here you get the indicator light on top, you get the laser emitter right down here, the measure wheel which rotates, you got the screen, the main/measure button on the left side, the switch button which switches the function on the right side, and the USB-C in the middle. You get the power, 5 volts, 1 amp, batteries 300 milliamp hours, materials aluminum alloy, ABS plastic. You get the accuracy of plus or minus 1 millimeter, which is pretty good. You get the range of 5 digits before the decimal point, which is decent. You get a red laser. What's great about this thing though is your customized scales, but it also has 93 built-in scales. All right, let's turn it on for the first time. Click both buttons. I felt a little vibration right there. So the main function here is the ruler. To switch modes is the right side. Then over here is your scalable ruler. And here's the customized scaled ruler, followed by settings. So use the right button to cycle through, left button to select. Select again. I'm not too sure what this is. I think it's to change it either vertical or horizontal. Let's do horizontal. I think I like vertical. I really like the haptic feedback that it gives you. Alright, so we're back in vertical. Let's go back to the settings. The second option looks like, so depending on if you're right-handed or left-handed, select right or left. I think I just turned it off by clicking both buttons. So I'm right-handed, so I'll keep that. But if you're left-handed, switch over. Now this third option, you got your scale. You can change whatever you want according to what you need. And the last option is your info. You can reset it if you want. We won't need to do that now. All right, now let's go into the actual device and its functionality. So ruler. Here we can change the units. Centimeters, millimeters, meters, inches, feet, inch. We'll go for inches. All right, so once you see that animation, you can start rolling. When you roll, you want to keep it perpendicular to whatever surface you're measuring. And you get a little laser down here. I don't know, it's hard to see on camera. Once you see the laser, you can start rolling it. And then stop when you need to. And it measured it to 6.67 inches. This is such a simple device. Oh, and just a warning, when you measure, make sure it's perpendicular, not tilted, because you'll just get some errors. You don't want that. Our next function is the scaled ruler. So whatever scale that you want to use, just cycle through it. And you can pick. And then finally, your customized scale. If you want to change it, step 1, measure the drawing length. It'll give you the go to start, right? Hit next. Now it's to measure the actual length. There you go. Hit done. And now you got your customized scale right here. And you can start measuring. And that's that. And back to main menu. But that's the gist of how to use this thing. It's very straightforward, easy to use, very light. It's easy to carry because of its case. It's light. Store it away. And that's basically what you need to know about this NeoRulerGO. I actually forgot to mention one more thing. You could detach this part and then use this case right in there. So now, the only thing you'll really need is to bring your pen with the case and your measurer, and it's all in one package. That's it. Oh, wow, what do you know? You can actually scroll through with the roller itself. Now, my only concern with this thing is I wish it had the same display as the NeoRuler. I know this is the portable version of the ruler, but it would be great if this had an LED lit right behind it. Anyways, guys, I want to reiterate the fact that this thing is light, it's portable, it's easy to carry, it's the perfect measuring tool for buying furniture when you need to go to IKEA, let's say. You know, IKEA gives you those paper rulers that you can use. Those are decent, but they're kind of flimsy and just really annoying to use, I think. And if you bring the NeoRulerGO with you, it's just small and portable. It's literally the perfect measuring tool. And what's awesome is that the premium combo pack gives you all of these essentials. You get the ruler, pencils, extra accessories, you get the leather case, all of this wrapped in one little package. You know, you can't ask for anything better than that. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. I think this is a great purchase for people like engineers or maybe even architects that like to design things. And even if you're not in that type of profession, something like this is really handy to have just in case. And that's a wrap. Thanks for making it to the end of the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that noti bell to know when I upload next. Peace.